Hey everyone, in this video we will learn to identify the related objects in Power BI service. So let's say you've got a report and there are some dashboards sitting on top of that report. What happens if you make changes to that report? You need to identify that beforehand, like as an impact analysis activity, that I'm going to make a change to my report, but these are the dashboards that will be impacted because of it. And there's a quick way to identify that, so we'll explore that in today's video. Let's log into the Power BI service, and I'm already logged in here. And I'll click on workspace, my workspace, and I'll go to reports, and I'll open any of the reports. So I'll just say configure dashboard Power BI, and you can go and open any of the reports that you've got essentially. And we'll just wait for the report to open. And there's this on the top right, there's this icon called view related. So if you click on that view related icon, it shows you that there are 3 dashboards dependent on this particular report, and this report depends on a data set, or there is a data set which is related to the report as well. So it's a quick and fast way to do an initial impact analysis as to what are the dependent objects and how changes could trigger impact on other objects or for other users. And then you can reach out to those dashboards or to those data sets and identify how these changes would have an impact either up on the line or down the line. So in this video, just to recap, we learned how to identify the related objects in Power BI. And this is a quick way to do an impact analysis on changes. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.